Welcome to AK Education System. Get ready for another exciting new video. 35 basic and important words that used instead of very in IELTS. Very large. Immense. Very small. Tiny. Very hot. Scorching. Very cold. Frigid. Very fast. Swift. Very scared. Terrified. Very funny. Hilarious. Very quiet. Hushed. Very loud. Deafening. Very cheap. Inexpensive. Very clean. Immaculate. Very dirty. Filthy. Very smelly. Pungent. Very pretty. Exquisite. Very ugly. Hideous. Very slow. Sluggish. Very good. Superb. Very bad. Terrible. Very bright. Radiant. Very happy. Ecstatic. Very sad. Devastating. Very angry. Furious. Very tired. Fatigued. Very hungry. Ravenous. Very thirsty. Parched. Very expensive. Costly. Very noisy. Boisterous. Very dark. Murky. Very wet. Drenched. Very dry. Arid. Very old. Ancient. Very new. Novel. Very tired. Exhausted. Very calm. Serene. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more amazing videos. AK Education System.